Are you friends with a certified yapper? One way to know is if you notice yourself saying, yeah, but what I was trying to say earlier was, quite often. A friend who totally dominates conversations can be a handful, but here's how to manage their chattiness. First, do not give positive feedback. You might think giving them attention helps them finish faster, but nodding or saying, only encourages them to talk longer. Instead, politely ask them to get to the point by saying, I'm sorry, you're losing me. Can you summarize what you're trying to say? You can also indicate that you're short on time by letting them know up front. I only have 5 minutes to talk right now. If you are in a group, pull someone else into the conversation or abruptly change the subject. As a last resort, you can always get lost in thought or simply stop the conversation by saying, I'm sorry, I have to go. Above all, remember to have empathy and consider why your friend might be so talkative, and always avoid criticism or name-calling.